Okay, we got a Hyundai i20. Okay, this customer has been telling me that they've had a noise, like a goop goop sound when they come to a stop. It's not while they're braking, it's more when they come to a stop. So, I checked it out before and I couldn't find anything wrong, because what I look for in a case like that is I look for loose calipers, loose brake shoes, I look for loose springs and trailing arms and things like that. So this morning I got the car in again. I thought I'd have another shot at it. I took the driver's side wheel off because I thought maybe the noise is coming from that side, and then just on a whim I decided I am going to take off the passenger side rear wheel, and look what I found. You see there? There's an extra wheel nut stuck in the rim. Okay. Now, these Hyundai, what I like about the Hyundais is that they have these Hyundai wheel covers. Okay, which first goes on and then your nuts comes on. Okay. Now they've had brand new tires fitted, a while back, and that is what I found. An extra wheel lug that is basically rolling around in the rim. So they weren't hearing the noise all the time. They were hearing it on occasion. Okay. Now the occasions that they would hear it is that when this nut dislodges and it rolls around, because it can't come out because of the wheel cover being on top there. And the funny thing is that there are 4 wheel nuts each side. So it's got to be the tire guys that's left this accidentally, I thought that this just to be 1 in a million case. You will never get this, but just in case, guys, you have funny noises on your wheels, take off the wheel covers, especially if it's a full cover. Take off the wheel covers. Make sure there's nothing rolling around inside there. Okay, look, it's not dangerous, but it is annoying, and it could be overlooked for something dangerous. Okay, so this happened on a Hyundai i20. Okay, it's about the 2014-2016 model. Okay, but it can happen on any car that takes a full cover like that. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.